Hello students, today we are going to start our new subject, that is matrices, or let's start the basic definition of matrix. Matrix is nothing but a simple arrangement of mn numbers arranged in the form of a rectangular array. That simply means कि आपके पास mn number है और आप उसको एक रेक्टेंगुलर फॉर्म में अरेंज कर रहे हो विद m rows and n columns and it is called an m by n matrix. आपने इसको लिखा तो m क्रॉस n है but we read it as a m by n matrix. An m by n matrix is usually written as in this form. This is the matrix with m number of rows and n number of columns. We generally enclose your matrix in either square bracket or either in parenthesis. Choice is completely yours. Now let's discuss some applications of matrices. क्योंकि हम कुछ भी सब्जेक्ट पढ़ते हैं तो माइंड में एक पहला क्वेश्चन होता है कि ये सब्जेक्ट का एप्लीकेशन है क्या, हम इसको क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं. तो मैट्रिक्स हैज़ अ वाइड range of applications. It includes animation and gamings, in physics, in quantum mechanics, optics, in electrics or electrical circuits. We use matrices in building designing also, means when we are having a structural design of any building, then we also use matrix. We use matrix in three-dimensional game also. We use matrices in security for encryption and decryption, means for hiding your data. So then we use matrices also. We use matrices in business also. For example, in share market we use matrices. Now let's define some basic type of matrix. First one is your square matrix. As the name implies, in this kind of a matrix, when we have number of rows equals to number of columns, means when in m by n matrix for which m equals to n, that simply means number of rows is equals to the number of column is called as a square matrix. This is an example of 3 by 3 square matrix. Next matrix is unit matrix or identity matrix. It is a square matrix of whose diagonal element is 1. आपके पास एक मैट्रिक्स है जिसमें आपके सिर्फ डायगोनल जितने भी एलिमेंट होंगे वो सारे 1 है और उसके अलावा जितने भी एलिमेंट हैं जो रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स है ऑल आर 0. मीन्स अगर हम इसको जनरली लिखें तो इट विल बी अ स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स Aij इफ Aij equals to 1 when we have I equals to j and otherwise Aij will be 0. Okay, means this one is A11, this element is A22, this element is A33. Okay, so this is the unit matrix or identity matrix of order 3 and this is the unit matrix of order 2. Next we have a null matrix or zero matrix. As the name implies, the m by n matrix whose elements are 0 is called the null matrix or zero matrix of type m by n. It is usually denoted by 0 or more clearly by 0mn. Okay, often a null matrix is simply denoted by the symbol 0 and we read it as a 0. For example, this is your zero matrix. Next matrix is a row matrix and column matrix. Any 1 by n matrix which has only one row. As the name implies, row means which has only one row and n columns is called as a row matrix or a row vector. And similarly, any m by 1 matrix which has m rows and only one column is a column matrix or column vector. For example, x equals to -2, -7 or 8, 5, 11 is a row matrix because we have only one row and 5 columns. In this second matrix y, we have one column and 3 rows, means it is of column matrix of type 3 by 1. Next we have some matrices of a matrix. So any matrix obtained by omitting some rows and columns from a given m by n matrix is called a sum matrix. Okay, जब आप किसी मैट्रिक्स में से कुछ रो या कॉलम 0 और मोर देन 0 रो और कॉलम्स और रिमूव कर रहे हैं तो आपके पास जो मैट्रिक्स बचती है वो आपकी सम मैट्रिक्स है. एंड द इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज द मैट्रिक्स A itself is a sum matrix of A as it can be obtained from A by omitting no rows or columns. Next kind of a matrix we have triangular, diagonal and scalar matrix. As the name implies, triangular means we have a triangular kind of a shape in this kind of a matrix. First one is upper triangular matrix. A square matrix Aij is called an upper triangular matrix if Aij equals to 0 whenever I is greater than j. अगर आपके पास I is greater than j है फॉर एग्जाम्पल तो वो सारे एलिमेंट 0 हो जाएंगे. जैसे ये वाला दिस एलिमेंट इज A21 वेयर I equals to 2 and j equals to 1. 2 is greater than 1, that is 0. For example, for this element it is A32. We have 3 is greater than 2 and that's why we have this element value will be 0. So this is the kind of upper triangular matrix. Next we have lower triangular matrix. As the name implies, it is the opposite of upper triangular matrix. A square matrix A is called a lower triangular matrix if Aij equals to 0 whenever I is less than 0. जब आपके पास कंडीशन है I आपसे 0 से लेस देन है I is less than j तो आपके पास जो एलिमेंट है हो जाएंगे 0. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज A1 2 column number is greater than row, that's why this element has 0 value. So this is the our lower triangular matrix. Third one is diagonal matrix. As the name implies, a square matrix whose elements above and below the principal diagonal are 0 is called as a diagonal matrix. Next we have a scalar matrix. It is a diagonal matrix whose diagonal elements are all equal is called a scalar matrix. Okay, it is a diagonal matrix means आपके diagonal के अलावा सारे एलिमेंट 0 होंगे लेकिन diagonal की वैल्यू सेम होगी. diagonal जितने भी diagonal एलिमेंट होंगे सबकी वैल्यू सेम होगी. then we will have a scalar matrix. Next we have 3 different kind of matrices. First one is idempotent matrix. Next one is involutory matrix, nilpotent matrix and periodic matrix. Idempotent matrix is a matrix for which A square equals to A is called an idempotent matrix. Means अगर कोई मैट्रिक्स ये कंडीशन फुलफिल करती है A square equals to A तो आपके पास वो मैट्रिक्स हो जाती है idempotent matrix. This is the example of idempotent matrix. You can verify it easily because for this A square will be this one and we have A square equals to A, then this is the idempotent matrix. Next condition is next type of a matrix is involutory matrix. Okay, a matrix is said to be involutory if A square equals to I, or you can say unit matrix or identity matrix. तो देन वी हैव अ इन्वॉल्यूटरी मैट्रिक्स. पहले वाली कंडीशन में क्या था A स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू A था लेकिन इस कंडीशन में क्या है आपका A स्क्वायर की वैल्यू इज इक्वल्स टू द आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर दिस मैट्रिक्स वी हैव व्हेन वी evaluate the value of A square it will come out as a unit matrix or identity matrix. So this kind of a matrix is termed as a involutory matrix. Next we have nilpotent matrix. The matrix is said to be nilpotent if A k equals to 0 where k is any positive integer, k has any positive value. This k is called as the index of the nilpotent matrix. For example, for this matrix we have A square will be 0. Okay, so it means it is a nilpotent matrix with index 2. Next we have periodic matrix. As the name implies, a matrix is said to be periodic if A to the power k plus 1 will be equals to A. ओके जो आपका आइडम्पोटेंट मैट्रिक्स था वो इसका एक स्पेशल केस था व्हेन वी हैव k इक्वल्स टू 1, यानी वो पीरियोडिक मैट्रिक्स का ही एक स्पेशल केस है. अदरवाइज इफ वी फॉर एनी अदर k, if a k plus 1 equals to a, then we have a matrix that is periodic